In this section, we will start coding our project for freelancing. What I can do now is to go here to the document and get the template, paste it here. I will delete this. Here I want it to be freelance, and here y is at. I will delete this now, I don't need it. Let's go to the file in Google Chrome and see what we have. Now I got the freelance. Let's add some content from the Bootstrap classes. What I can add here is section with class of home. Section with class of home, and then dev with class of container, dev with class of row, and then I can make h1 with class of display 1 and fw folder, and now I can set, but first before I do that I want to make dev with class of goal and text center. Here I will type we have built. I want to break the line with a Bootstrap class, so I will type dev with class of w100 and then close 3250 plus websites, and again span with class. Let's make it just span right now, span, and there's to be that get results. Let's see what we've got here in the screen. Now we got this. What I want to do is to make this underlined. Here I can go and add a class of text decoration underline, and now I have this underlined, and then I want this to be vertically centered. What I can do now is to go to the row and make this to be VH of 100, and then I want to make align items to center. Now we did that. Now I want to add the background color to this section. I can go here, create a new file and call it style.css. Here I want to connect between them, styles.css, and inside here I want to make linear gradient. Section of home, background image, linear gradient to right, RGBA of 0, 0, and 0 and 0.336, and again add a comma, URL, head, digital.jpg, background size to be cover, background position, center, and center. Now we got this. This is not good. I want this to be with text white. I can go to the class of the section and add text white. Now we got the text white. Great. I want to change the background color of the selection. Here it is blue. I can go to the CSS selection, background color of red and color to be white. Let's see what we've got. Now we got this. Now what I want to add now is the nav bar. I can go here and search for nav bar. I can click on copy, paste it here. I want this to be black. I can just go here, and I also want to make position of absolute. I can make here position of absolute and start to be 0. Now we got this with this width To solve this problem, I can make width of 100%. And now I don't need the PG light. I can make it too dark. But since we want it to be black, Bootstrap CSS variables do not have the black color. So we need to add style of background color of black. The next step is to make this with text white. Here, the navbar light, we can make it to navbar dark for the white color and navbar light for the black color. Navbar dark. Now we got this. And then I want to delete the form. And I don't need the disabled one. I want this text to be here. Here we have the margin E auto. I want to set it to margin S auto. So now we got this here. What I can do out of this part is to make font family and get a variable from the Bootstrap. I can search here for CSS variables. I can take this one, place it inside. Now we got this. If you want to change the font size, I can just make here for this one, the nav link FS. Let's try the 4. I think the 4 is not very good. I can make it to 5. We didn't save. It's okay. I can just leave it 2 as it was. Now we got this, and this is perfect. We just have a problem with the responsive design of this part. So what I can do to this part is to get the drop down here and add more after it. I can go here and make this to be about. Let's see if we have still a problem with this. Yeah, we still got a problem. Let's create a new one. Contact us. And let's get the drop down and be after the home. What about now? Now we have no problem. In the next video, we will test the responsive design and add more content here. Good luck and have fun.